Rising, you guys. I'm so excited for you guys to be with us today. We are on a mini road trip. We're taking a 2-hour ride to Fredericksburg, Texas. And I'm really excited to show you guys this area. So where we're going is called the Enchanted Rock, and it's super special. So if you have the time, look it up online. I will leave the address to it in my description box. But if you guys want to see where we're gonna go, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. If you guys are enjoying these travel vlogs and our adventures and just these nature exploration videos, make sure you comment below if you want more content like this. I will continue to do more videos as I go outside. But we are together today. We both have another day off. And I did do a video of adventures we were on yesterday. It was a beautiful hiking trail, like 10 minutes from our house. There's so many places to explore that's accessible to us here in Texas. So I'm so thankful for that. There's so much to do out here, you guys. If you're thinking about Texas, I don't have any other experience other than Austin, but we love it. Right, babe? Would you say 10 out of 10 compared to where we live?
Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10. So Austin is the place to be. You know, there's a lot going on. It's a melting pot of people. It's very artistic. It's very creative. There's a lot of young entrepreneurs out here, which I love. We actually met musicians the other night when we went to go eat at our favorite vegan spot, food truck, and they were just musicians. They had just had a show and they sat right next to us. So yeah, it's exciting, you guys. So we just got in. For anybody visiting here, just a heads up, it is $7 per person. You can bring, you know, kids and dogs. I don't know if it's more. But yes, you pay $7 per person, and actually you can camp out here too. So anybody that has like an RV camper, you definitely can pay to camp here as well. I guess it shows you a map of the place. Shows you some info. And it shows you freaking way to look at it.
That's the first part of the battle, you know?
Coming from somebody who swore up and down that she wants to go to Cali right now, like, you know, I'm not in a rush now that we're here. I'm really not. This gives me the vibe of Cali. This gives me, you know, the mixture of Cali, the opportunity to explore like Cali. The only thing that's missing is like beaches everywhere. So if you're looking for beaches, Austin is not the place, but that's not to say you can't get to beaches.
If you can always go somewhere and everything, just get something that simulates it.
Yeah, so all I'm saying is literally everything that I felt from California, I feel honestly the same thing here. Summit Trail, the Loop Trail.
Them the ones that we went to that last trail yesterday. We couldn't go any further. Can't see lake. Look at that, they're drinking out of water.
Oh, there's water?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, look. I disturbed their peace, but sorry, guys. Look how cute that is.
Yeah, you saying it's cute, but there's bees over there, yeah.
Are we searching for home decor today?
Huh?
Are we searching for home decor today?
I don't know about this. These rocks ain't exactly hollow, so.
Oh, get out of there! Probably cactus. What are you doing?
Nope, so them joints right there and nothing to play with.
You look awesome, baby. Do a pose. Yeah.
Imagine just literally having a picture and everything. You just see me standing on top of it. Can you imagine that? Yo, like, imagine doing a video out here, bro.
I know.
Oh,
Photo
boy.
shoot central, right?
Oh my God.
You
yo.
happy, honey?
Nah,
I like
you
to
don't-
see you smile.
You don't realize all of the video ideas I'm having right now. Christian, like, oh, it's about to be live, bro.
Gets you inspirational.
So far, what is it? Enchanted Rock,
Chanted Rock,
Bulls Creek,
Bulls Creek,
um, St. Edwards.
St. Edwards, yeah.
Yeah, St. Edwards Park.
St. Edwards was video worthy.
St. Edwards Park. Hell yeah, it was. But the thing is, we didn't ever get to go to that part that they closed off
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it was too late.
Yeah.
But if they, like that little section where it was just like nothing but grass and everything, and that little, oh my God, bro. But that,
Baby, tell them to subscribe if they want to see more.
yeah, subscribe, Soul Sessions, if you want to see more.
Yeah, baby.
But yeah, man, this is, dang, yeah, this shit is fire.
Whew, you guys have to come visit this spot. It's a great workout. And if you look up too high, you feel dizzy. not gonna lie, guys, if I look up too high, I get dizzy, my legs get shaky. But look at this dope ass view. this. I don't know if y'all see this. I'm pretty sure that's a road. And then also people can walk there, right?
Leave doo-doo like that.
It's pretty scary, y'all. We were thinking we were gonna go down, but like, we don't even know where that goes down to, so no, we're gonna pass. But we just wanted to explore. How do you
Not so much to travel down, it's travel back up. That shit. You got to get over here to see that.
I'm scared, honey.
Nah, it's only a little bit further
We
over.
climbed up through these rocks.
Trust me, it's worth it. Oh my God, yeah, we got to get over there next time. And there's people right over there.
Are you upset?
Yeah, I'm upset because they like that close to it. Look at this shit.
Water.
Fucking kidding me, bro. I wish I would have known about that.
Well, maybe if we go back down now,
Yeah, if we go around.
we can go around the other way.
Damn.
Damn, y'all, this is like, you could spend forever here. So for anybody that's camping, this is a really cool spot.
Yeah, you
Somebody
actually
needs to
can
come
camp.
park.
Look at that. Look at that shit right there. What a damn Aztec building.
Hell yeah.
That don't actually look like somebody built it. Is that?
Yeah, it looks like something. I don't know what it is, but I don't know, bruh.
Alright. So how you want to go there?
All right, let's go back so we can figure out where this water's at. We're on a mission to go towards this water today, yes. So we made it through there. These cool cactus. And there's a little outhouse right here, so that's convenient. That's so cute. I don't have that much battery life, but I definitely wanted to show you guys that we found water. Baby, you look so good.
Thank you. We made it. We actually made it.
We made it, honey. We found the water.
Now I'm about to see what if there's a name on this.
So for anybody that comes, I wouldn't swim in that water anyway. Looks pretty nasty.
Fixed.
Fucking, oh, baby, you can't do all that on my camera. You're gonna freak it.
Yeah.
There's trails everywhere. If we had the time today, if we didn't have to go to work, we would be out here for a while. But I would highly advise you bring a huge gallon of water. It's not gonna be easy to hike with, but still. You guys see all these dragonflies? This is like a lot of them in Texas. Just so happens to be surrounding us. Like they're literally swarming me right now.
Dragonfly, a butterfly, a wasp, and a bee all in the same location until just now. Just as beautiful as it is terrifying.
Say it again.
I said I've never seen a dragonfly, a butterfly, a bee, and a wasp all in the same location.
Oh no, me too. And the dragonflies here are red, guys. I've been seeing a lot of blue ones back near our house. They're red out
got
here.
blue ones here too.